Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Inday. Wish you all the best. Mag-iingat ka palagi. We love you and God bless you always. Sana wag magbago sa pag-support sa ating nag-iisang bunso, Migs Molino. Maraming salamat. God bless you. Bye!
Bunso Inday Jenny, wishing you a happy and a blessed birthday, Bunso. Stay healthy, happy, at maganda palagi. Thank you so much, Bunso, sa palagi mong pagbabanggit ang mga mamshis sa live mo. Basta, sama-sama tayo hanggang dulo para sa ating mahal na Bunso Migs Molino. Ingat ka palagi, Bunso. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello, Inday Jenny. Bunso, happy birthday. Wish ko more birthdays to come at good health. Salamat sa lagi kang andyan para sa ating bunso. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Bunso Jenny. I wish you good health and more blessing to come. Ingat and God bless. Bye.
What's up, Inday Jenny? Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.